Where does packet loss come from, and why does it hurt performance? The video call freezes, the page stalls. You check the dashboard and everything looks green. Welcome to packet loss, the problem that hides in plain sight. Data travels your network in small pieces called packets. Packet loss is simply when some of those pieces never arrive. A little is normal. Too much and calls drop, apps lag, and files crawl even while your bandwidth charts look perfectly fine. That is why it is so frustrating. The damage is real, but the usual graphs do not show it. So where does it come from? 3 common places. First, congestion, when a link is fuller than it can handle and packets get dropped. Second, faulty hardware, a failing cable, port, or device quietly mangling traffic. Third, configuration, a setting somewhere sending data down the wrong path. The fix always starts the same way. Being able to see the loss, measure it, and trace it to the link causing it. Catching packet loss before users complain is the goal. Schedule a personalized demo with our team to see how Motadata ObserveOps helps. The link is in the description.